Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Just Herbs Blemish Gel Anti-Blemish Gel. The price of this gel is 1025 rupees for 50 grams of quantity. They also sell a trial size exclusively on Smitten, and the price of that was written 375 rupees for 15 grams of quantity. This gel comes in a tub packaging. This has a gel based texture, and on application it gives a little bit of a cooling sensation. It takes a minute or two to get completely absorbed into this. It gives a little bit of a shiny finish once on application. It looks like a shimmery highlighter sort of thing, but after 15 minutes or so that shine fades away. This is the complete ingredient list of this gel. This contains 0.2% of lemon peel extract. In the instruction section, it is mentioned for this product that avoid sun exposure after application. So this product can be used only in the nighttime skincare routine. Let's start this review with talking about the claims that they have made for this product. So under the claims, they say lightweight day use anti-blemish gel for hyperpigmented skin patches, enhances the natural skin renewal process and slows away the pigment containing the upper layers of dead cells. So basically they are claiming this to be like an exfoliant. Second part of the claim mentions in bold letters: brightens, fades pigmentation, evens out skin, boost complexion, suits oily to combination skin, and paraben free. I'll share my thoughts about the claims that they have made on their website. Yes, this is a lightweight gel as they are mentioned in the claims. The first part of the claim, they are mentioning that this is like an exfoliant with all natural ingredients, which is quite true. Okay, in the second part of the claim, they say that this brightens the skin, but I have not seen any sort of brightening effect on the patches of the skin wherever I had applied. Now, I did not apply it all over the face because obviously this is like a very strong exfoliant. As I mentioned earlier, there was like little bit of like glittery, sparkly thing, but it later on fades away, so there's no brightening like in terms of glow as such. Next words written in bold letters was boost complexion. So as I mentioned, there's no glow as such, so I don't see any complexion boost. Maybe they are trying to say that after exfoliation a part of the dead skin layers would be lifted off and that would overall boost the complexion. In that case, it could be accurate. Now as I mentioned in the ingredients part of this review that it does contain lemon peel extract. It is 0.2% that they have mentioned in the ingredient list, but it's still like very, I'm a beginner in chemical exfoliant. I've never used any chemical exfoliant before. So when I used this peel, it did sensitize my skin a lot. It caused a lot of sweating and all and made my skin very sensitive. So initially I did notice that it worked on a lot of active acne that I had, and it helped in healing up of those acne. It does work on certain dark spots, but it is like very slow process in spite of this having that chemical, in spite of this having that lemon peel extract. But this is something I wouldn't recommend to beginners, especially someone who has never used any sort of exfoliant before, because though it does contain all natural ingredients, but still it is quite strong and it can make the skin more sensitive, and you have to use sunscreen regularly if you're using this actively in the nighttime routine. So this is not like super effective on acne scars, but I also tried it on some dark spots that I had on my leg, and it did like slightly change slightly faded away the dark spots. So yeah, it does work in certain things, but not in like completely effective on acne scars. Now when it comes to acne spot treatment of acne, you can use anything like aloe vera gel or even niacinamide gel, salicylic acid, something that is that makes the skin less sensitive and that is more effective, something that is more soothing, instead of trying something like this. so I wouldn't want to use it just for the acne treatment. If it works on blemishes and acne scars completely, then it's fine, but I would continue using it. And very little quantity is needed for this product. You don't have to apply it like a moisturizer. It's just like for spot treatment, very less quantity is needed. Overall, it's an okay product. I wouldn't recommend it to beginners who have never used any sort of exfoliant before. By exfoliant, I mean peeling solutions. Though it does not contain chemicals, it contains natural ingredients, but it's still not like super suitable for extremely sensitive skin. It did give me breakouts initially. It is quite strong, but I won't say this is like 100% effective and works on every type of scars and dark spots. And also the results is very slow, so you have to be again very patient with this particular product. It is quite expensive as well. So yeah, it does work on certain spots and active acne. So that is my overall review of this anti-blemish gel. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos in the description box below. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.